Good morning, dear students. In previous class, we discussed trigonometry identities. Now I am going to explain problems on that. Nothing but 11.4 exercise. One of the important exercises to board exams. Here is the first problem. Find the value of sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. Solution. Now it is in the form of a plus b whole square and it is in the form of a minus b whole square. First of all, recall that what is the form of a plus b whole square? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Similarly, a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here, a square means what we can write? Sin square theta. B square means we can write cos square theta. Plus 2ab means 2 sin theta cos theta plus here a square means sin square theta plus b square means cos square theta minus 2ab means 2 sin theta and cos theta. So by looking this 2 sin theta and 2 sin theta gets cancelled. According to first identity, the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Similarly, here also combination of sin square theta and cos square theta. Its value is also 1. So, what is the final answer? 2 is the final answer. Another one of the important question. Show that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. See, I am taking LHS. What is the LHS? Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. So already we know cosec theta is a reciprocal of sin theta. So cosec theta we can write as 1 by sin theta plus cot theta is nothing but cos theta by sin theta whole square. So after taking the LCM, one plus cos theta by sin theta whole square. So by dividing the power 1 plus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. According to first identity, what is the first identity? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. First identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From that, sin square theta we can write as 1 minus cos square theta. From that, sin square theta we can write as 1 minus cos square theta. It is nothing but 1 plus cos theta whole square by 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta by in the form of a square minus b square. So what is the formula? A plus b into a minus b. 1 plus cos theta gets cancelled. So what is the remaining answer? 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. It is nothing but RHS. So finally the value of LHS is equal to the value of RHS. So take the students, another one important question. Show that under root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A is equal to sec A plus tan A. Here I am taking LHS. What is the LHS? Under root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. So according to 9th class, RF. What is the meaning of RF? Rationalizing factor. For example, root 13. What is the rationalizing factor of root 13? If you multiply with another root 13, what you get? Root 13 square root cancel. So what is the answer? 13. So like that, RF means rationalizing factor. Rationalizing factor of under root of 1 minus sin A is nothing but 1 plus sin A. So what I am doing here? 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. I am dividing and multiplying with 1 plus sin A. I am dividing and multiplying with the 1 plus sin A. Here I am dividing and multiplying with the 1 plus sin A. So after that 1 plus sin A and 1 plus sin A we can write as 1 plus sin A whole square. In the form of A plus B and A minus B. What is the formula? A square minus B square. So this we can write as 1 minus sin square A. 1 minus sin square A. So according to first identity. What is the first identity? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So from that, what we can write here? Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. By using that, we can write cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So in the place of 1 minus sin square A, I am going to write cos square A. Under root of 1 plus sin A whole square A by cos square A. So this is we can write as 1 plus sin A by cos A whole square. Here square root gets cancel. What is the remaining here? 1 plus sin A by cos A. So this we can write 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. 1 by cos A. Cos theta is a reciprocal of secant theta. So 1 by cos A we can write as secant A. Plus sin A by cos A we can write as tan A. Is equal to RHS. Here another important question. Show that 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta into sin theta. Solution. In solution, first I am taking LHS. What is the LHS? 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. Here I am taking LCM. What is the LCM here? Cos theta. So here what we can write? By taking LCM, cos theta into cos theta. It is nothing but 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta. According to first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So by this, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So in the place of 1 minus cos square theta, what we can write? We can write sin square theta. So it is sin square theta by cos theta. Sin square theta we can write as sin theta into sin theta by cos theta. See here. Sin theta by cos theta we can write as tan theta. Sin theta by cos theta we can write as tan theta into sin theta is equal to RHS. The value of LHS is equal to RHS. Here another question from 11.4 exercise. Show that 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1 is equal to tan square A. First I am taking LHS. What is LHS here? 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1. See, already explained. Tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta. If these four terms are there, you have to apply the formula. 1 minus tan square A we can write as sin square A by cos square A by cot square A we can write as cos square A by sin square A minus 1. So after that I am taking LCM here. Here what is the LCM? Cos square A. What we can write here? cos square A minus sin square A. Right. Here also what is the LCM? Sin square A. What will you write here? Cos square A minus sin square A. See, I am taking the reciprocal of denominator. Cos square A minus sin square A by cos square A into sin square A by cos square A minus sin square A. Here, cos square A minus sin square A, cos square A minus sin square A cancel. What is the remaining here? Sin square A by cos square A. Sin square A by cos square A we can write as tan square A. Sin square A by cos square A we can write as tan square A is equal to RHS. See, is equal to RHS. Here is another one important question. Simplify sec A bracket 1 minus sin A into sec A plus tan A. In solution, see here, second A we can write as 1 by cos A. Why? Because second A is a reciprocal of cos A into 1 minus sin A. Once again, second A we can write as 1 by cos A plus tan A we can write as sin A by cos A. Tan A we can write as sin A by cos A. See, second theta is a reciprocal of cos theta. So second A I am writing as 1 by cos A. 1 minus sin A as it is. Second A we can write as 1 by cos A plus tan A is nothing but sin A by cos A. This after, see, 1 minus sin A by cos A into, see here, what is the LCM? Cos A is an LCM. So what is the remaining here? 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A. So now here I am multiplying numerator and numerator, denominator and denominator. Here what is the numerator? 1 minus sin A into, here what is the numerator? 1 plus sin A by, here what is the denominator? Cos A into cos A in the form of A minus B and A plus B. What is the formula? A minus B into A plus B is equal to A plus B into A minus B we can write as A square minus B square. A plus B into A minus B we can write as A square minus B square. So clearly observe here 1 minus sin A and 1 plus sin A. Nothing but A minus B and A plus B form. So A square means 1 minus sin square A by cos square A. According to first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. According to first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So from that, cos square theta we can write as 1 minus sin square theta. From that, cos square theta we can write as 1 minus sin square theta. So in the place of, I am replacing 1 minus sin square A by cos square A by cos square A gets cancelled. So what is the final answer? 1 is the final answer.